Bravo. Guys, how's it? We back again. It's your team, your squad. Thank you so much for the support from our season 1. This is our season 2. We're getting ready. We're packing right now. We're leaving for Botswana tomorrow. So we're going to be touring a bit in Namibia. So we're doing the Khaudum, we're doing Kwandu in the Zambezi region before we cross over to Botswana. And then in Botswana, we're going to do Chobe. And then we're doing Lenyanti, which is part of Chobe National Park. And then we're going to do Savuti, also part of Chobe National Park. And then we're going to Savuti, we're doing Moremi, Mahoto. And then we're doing Kwai. I'm excited, man. I'm so excited. This has been a bucket list. I've really been wanting to do this thing. Just for your information.
Third bridge.
And third bridge, yeah. Third bridge is going to be the last one, and then we're coming out of Maung, and then we're going to drive down back to Windhoek. So I'm excited. The funny thing is, I grew up in that area in Chobe, but I never got to travel those places. So I was like, one day when I grow up, when I'm working, I've got a rig, a car that can take me off-road. I'm going to do all these trips. So what I did is I convinced my Namibian friends. There's one here. Looky. So there's 3 other guys. We're meeting tomorrow morning around 4. And then we're leaving for Tsumkwe. So in Chobe Kasani, we will be meeting with 3 other guys from Joburg, good friends of mine. On this trip, we have 4 Land Cruiser LX V8s, and then we have
2.8
Mr. Loki, 2.8 GD6.
No, and a 2.8 LC.
Oh, and then
the latest one.
Yeah, man. we have the latest Land Cruiser, the new one, the 2.8 GD6 diesel. So we can't wait to see how it's gonna perform. My friend Tilly will be driving that, and of course, Loki is in the 2.8.
No, 2.4.
2.4.
All-terrain destroyer.
It's a GD6 as well, right?
Yeah, GD6.
GD6. It's diesel, right?
Yeah, diesel, right?
Yeah, and then there's another friend of mine called Prince. Is coming with it's a D4D.
Yeah, I think it's a D4D.
I think it's a D4D. Yeah. So it's just all Toyota on this trip. All Toyota, and the guys coming from South Africa, they're just coming in Land Cruisers. It's 2 V8s and 1 V6. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. So I hope it rained in Savuti. We wanna hear those pipes scream and roar in the Savuti mud. So right now we're gonna pack up. I'm gonna bring my car here so we can load. You can see all that camping equipment ready for loading. So busy packing. So the fridge is on. Bit stocked up. You can see for now it's just mostly water, Red Bull, and energy drink, which we need because tomorrow we're doing about 700 kilometers. So we need more of water and energy drink. Of course, underneath there is other stuff that is that is when you get on camp, you would just want to just dive in. Okay, the black boxes. Here we're going to pack the food. It's inside the house, so we're gonna pack the food. And here you can see how much water we carry. See how much water. This is just my water and a couple of guys' water. And this is a solar panel. So this is for me when we park. Currently the fridge is using the second battery for the car. So when we park, I put on solar as long as it's during the day. And then we have the pots. Of course, we about 14, 15 on this trip, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have the camping toilet. You gonna demonstrate?
Oh yeah. When nature calls,
So
you dial 911.
This is a camping toilet. Of course, you need a spade. You need to dig a hole, and you sit on this just so you're comfortable. And kettle. Of course, jerrycans, there's just some on top. We have our stove. It's got its own stand on the other side, and then I got a fire extinguisher right here, and the camping mat, and a camping mattress. This is a camping tent. And of course, this is a picnic basket where we have our plates, chopping bowls, and all. And then I got a 3-legged pot, a gas cylinder, jerrycans for extra fuel because Savuti can be quite a stretch, and there are no service stations. I understand there are no shops, but there is a mini shop that is slightly expensive. So right now we're just busy putting up the stuff that is going on the roof. Yeah. It's 4:45 now. You can see, so Luki is here, Sparta is here, and Luki is there on the other side. So we're fueling up, and then we are headed for Gobabis. Gobabis is about 220 km from Windhoek, or 210, Namibia. So we're most probably gonna have coffee there, and fill up our jerry cans and make full tank just in case there's no fuel in Tsumkwe. Because from Tsumkwe we going all the way through Khaudum, and then we're gonna come out in between Divundu and Bundu. Then we're gonna head up to Kongola. That's where we're gonna spend the night tomorrow. But for tonight, it's Khaudum. So we'll be wild camping tonight. So we're just securing these on the gravel road, so these things they didn't snap out and open while you're driving. It happened to me once that it snapped out and these jerrycans, they were empty and they flew off. Luckily there was no car behind me. So safety always comes first. Let me introduce you to next.
Would ask the head of delegation.
Who's the head of the delegation? You.
Are we good?
He's Tilly. He's the chairperson of this trip.
I'm the
Then Luki, the financial manager of the trip. Operations is this gentleman here. He's the one when we get to campsite who makes sure, who shows us the toilet where set up tents and stuff like that. Oh, that's us.
Are we going up to Chinene or?
I will suggest the better route is Ahanas.
Which one?
It's not reaching Ochinene. We'll go, it's before that, just for, yeah.
Because I was checking the road last night, I was like, where does Tilly want us to go?
Wait.
Because there's a nice C road, and then I saw like a D road.
It's a C road I'm talking about.
Okay.
Much for us.
Yeah, I'm also still.
There's something I'm missing. You shouldn't in the morning. Look, start. Then we can go here, we'll check how time is. Because if time, this road, there are a few nice things to see.
I thought this area, when I was checking,
Yeah.
it looks like a nice area.
It's a nice area where you can switch on the...
Finally in Gobabis. I think that was like an hour 45 minutes that we drove. So we're just gonna try and find a place where we can get coffee. Just to I'm waking up. Is that dam over there? So Gobabis in Namibia is actually known as the cattle town. So you'll see at the entrance of this town, there is they've got a statue of a cow. the tar road. We got on the gravel road. It's on our way to Tsumkwe. So it's very important that you lock your wheels. So I'm gonna go in 4H now, and then I'm just locking the hubs outside as well. It's recommended that you always lock your hubs, but if you don't want, you can always not lock them. One of the workshop managers told me that he has replaced so many hubs because people normally lock inside and they don't lock outside, they leave it on auto outside. Somehow I don't know how that affects your hubs, but I always try and play safe. I always lock my hubs outside and I'm in 4H outside. This is now to get stability on the gravel road. It's very important that you drive on 4H on gravel road. Yeah. We're on this gravel road to Tsumkwe. Quite happy with the suspension that I put in yesterday with Xterra. The car is driving so smooth. The car is driving so smooth that it feels like I'm still on the tar road. You have no idea. So I'm driving behind everybody else. So I'm just falling back because of the dust, but it drives so smooth. I don't regret this suspension tough dog. It's tops. So I took the medium one. You do have the entry level.
5 kilometers because it depends on the street.
You have the entry level, which is the softer one apparently, but this is quite soft. I'm happy with it. Normally when I load this car, my mud flaps will be pulling on the ground. But today, this morning, I loaded this car. Literally, the car is still standing flat. It didn't even go down behind. So I'm quite happy with this suspension. Tilly coming, Tilly? Tilly, what did you say about Fanzel again?
Fanzel was very easy for me on my suspension on the FJ. It was very easy.
Yeah, you and Goods actually had it nice. You guys were on good suspension that time.
Let's go back again. Let's go back to Fanzel. I want to go back this year.
Not yet, man. You know what I like about how we did it? Last year we did more of the mountains and rocks and all that terrain. And this year we're doing the sand and the mud. So I just like how we do different terrains every year.
Also true. But Fanzel was such a nice trip. I wouldn't mind going back just because the trip was good.
But I think today camping should remind us of Fanzel's past campsite because we have no water tonight, we have no electricity, we have no basically no showers. So yeah, it's just gonna remind us of Fanzel's campsite.
I will need to fill up my tank, my water tank in Tsumkwe.
Yeah, mine is full, but I'm definitely taking a shower from my tank tomorrow.
Yeah, we are currently doing the Tsumkwe road. It's not bad, as you can see. The road is not bad. I just stopped to deflate some deflate my tires. Yeah, we can't wait to get to our destination. Just stop and relax. Probably have about 350 to 400 kilos on this gravel road. Yeah.
I just noticed now. Because I was confused there.
What's happening? What's happening? Till it slowed down a bit.
Nari. Oh, okay. All right. Hi guys, we are 70 k's before Tsumkwe. Guys, I think it's raining in Tsumkwe, but so far so good. The road is not that bad. It's the first time we're all driving through this road. Luki,
Hola.
how's it going?
No, so far so good. So far so good. Can't complain.
So we are in Nyai Nyai now.
Yeah, by Nya.
I did pee my pants. I got a...
Hey guys, we finally got Tsumkwe. How many hours? Yeah, we left at 5.
Yeah.
This is now
10 hours.
almost 10 hours. But we were stopping a lot as well. So in Tsumkwe, we're just gonna fuel up, and then we're gonna find a spot to camp. Most probably there's a baobab tree. There's a history behind it, so I'll just tell you about it later on a little bit more. So we're gonna wild camp there tonight, and then tomorrow we enter Khaudum. Tile, how's it going so far?
Yeah, long day, man. I didn't sleep last night, so
I think we all didn't sleep.
we didn't
last
sleep.
night.
So
I think it's better, let's get to camp at least by 5,
yeah,
set up and then rest. Tomorrow again with another early day.
tomorrow is gonna be a long day also.
Yeah, it's another long day. And tomorrow is sand.
Yo, tomorrow I'm actually scared of tomorrow. Tomorrow will be.
Why are you scared? You're driving the latest new
But
Land
it's
Cruiser,
gonna
so
be a long day.
we're going to test it.
6, 7, 8 hours. That's the problem.
Yeah. Okay, you can drive ahead. Let's find
He's at the service station, guys.
Must be joking. I like it, looks like it. Keep my fingers crossed.
Guys, this is the only service station in Tsumkwe, so we're just hoping there's gas. I mean, there's fuel. So the guy is coming now. Let's just find out. Hopefully, finger crossed. How are you, boss? You have this?
We came for petrol, guys. Don't share it. Guys, don't listen.
You have this?
From here, we are going to the car. Full send, heavy fall.
guys, look at that tree. Been wanting to come here. Always been a bucket list. At least I can say that it's ticked off today. And the most important thing, or the most exciting thing, is that we're camping here tonight. We're wild camping. We're gonna sleep here. We're gonna make fire now. Then we're gonna make something to eat. It's past 5. Yeah, not bad to arrive on camp and set up camp, but it's beautiful. I love this place. The weather is beautiful. It rained, so tomorrow when we hit Khaudum, I believe it rained there as well, because the sand is compacted, so I don't think then we'll struggle. Not that we'll struggle driving the perfect cars for such terrains. But yeah, looky, the big baobab tree, Tsumkwe.
The main man. The main man.
Guys, I understand this tree. I speak under correction. I'm told it's more than 200 years old. So, yeah. Just go on the internet, Google Tsumkwe Baobab tree. I think it's called Halo something.
Yeah.
Tell do you know what this baobab is called? Holboom or something like that. Yeah. But yeah, tomorrow or later on, then we'll just go there and show you the tree. Right now, let me just come park here, and then we'll open up the awning, the tents, and we'll start cooking. Yeah. This is from Adventure Camping Hire. It's in Windhoek. Very affordable per day. You don't have to spend so much money on a tent that you use twice a year or 3 times a year. So what I do, I normally just rent one. And this is a 1.2. Ideally I wanted a 1.4, but it doesn't fit on my roof because of the other accessories I have on. So I ended up settling for a 1.2. Yeah, but perfect. Got windows on the side, so I'm just trying to get inside so I can get the poles to extend the door.
I won't even lie to you.
They are really appreciative my car.
Yeah?
Go ahead.
Guys, We're setting up our camp now. It's coming together. You can see my friends, but where's your beer?
No, I'm tired now.
You know, once
I
he's
need
done
to be
setting
on
up,
the lookout.
he's done setting up his tent. The best thing is to sit on your camp chair and a beer. So we just making fire. We have got chicken tonight. So we have chicken and rice on the menu because this cooks much quicker. If you've been traveling for a long day, so the best thing you could do is either braai or chicken, something that can be done much quickly. But we all at the moment sorting out our bedrooms for. This is how world camping looks like. Basically here we have no electricity, we have no water, running water, we've got basically no ablutions. So in the morning we literally, maybe I think we'll bath from my water tank. Let me show you my bedroom. I already set up my tent. Rented with Adventure Camping Hire. It's big enough for 2 people. And very easy to set up. 2, 3, 4 minutes you done when you actually know what you're doing. And so I'm just gonna throw my blanket in there, so because I don't want to go in there with my shoes and then you put sand in there. So I'll just throw my blankets in when I'm going to sleep. That's when I'll just make up my bed. And the nice thing is that tomorrow, because this is our first night, tomorrow I don't have to take out my blankets. So I'll leave my blankets on the mattress, lie flat, so the tent can still close up with my blankets on. So when I get to the next camp, I just pull it out and my blankets is already still set up in there. So as you can see, everybody else's tent is facing in the middle where we are cooking. Only I have to face the world. I hope there ain't any predators here. But we saw huge elephants when we're coming here. Well, an elephant is not a predator though. Because I've got an awning on the other side, so we're using it to shade up the area in case it rains where we're cooking. Then I unfortunately I have to face this side. And so when I'm coming to sleep, I definitely have to ask one of these guys to escort me on this side because this is wild camping. And just want to close it up in case there's mosquitoes. So you do have this net that you can open your windows. You let the air circulate in your tent. It's actually very cool today. So we got here, it's like it just finished raining about 2-3 hours ago. Come on. Yeah. So closed up. So the nice thing is that you got this a zip here inside. You can actually lock it. So if you have a small padlock when you go inside to sleep, you can lock it if you are that paranoid or scared of the world. And so one of the accessories that I added onto my car is these floodlights under here. So these ones at night when it becomes darker, so when I switch them on, at least it will light up on this side. Even when I'm coming to sleep, then it will be much easier to at least see where I'm going. So I love that. I love owning. The suspension, I've been talking about it, I love it. And these 2 spare wheel carriers. We did Fanzao, unfortunately last year. Oh, not unfortunately, at least I was lucky enough that I didn't get a puncture. So you can imagine if you are 300-400 kilometers away from the next service for tire service and you lose your 1 spare wheel, so now your only hope and you pray that you don't get a puncture. Now I've got 2 wheels, at least if I lose 1 spare. We're going to Savuti. It's quite sandy and also thorny. So at least if you lose 1 tire, you still have another one, at least maybe to still carry you to the next stop where you can get things serviced. Let me just quickly show you. You can see Our cameraman's bedroom is being set up. And Loki is set up. Unfortunately, I couldn't open my back window because of the awning that is here. And then that Sparta, the TV hasn't set up his. And then, so this is going to be our kitchen. Quickly, I'll start cooking now. So I'll invite you guys when I start chopping up the chicken and cook. Thank you. Okay. Guys, you remember from our previous season, I spoke about our Land Cruiser water. Yeah, we still have it stocking in a couple of shops. If you come across it, please support us. Or you can DM me and you order directly from me. We'll always deliver if you're in Windhoek. This one is for my friend Sparta. Here's your water to keep you hydrated.
Sorted. Why is this table so short?
There's the legs.
But how?
You remove these things and you insert the legs.
You like it?
So ideally I would actually want to wash it at least 3 or 4 times, because we're in the bush now and the water is not, it is scarce at the moment. So I just wash it twice and then I'm gonna put it on the stove. So I've asked them to make a little hole there so that whatever water we use, we don't just spill it anywhere. So we just spill it in one spot. But we don't throw any rubbish in there. It's just water, waste water with soap that we're using to wash stuff. Then you put it in one place than to put it all over, because then we need to be much careful with the grass, all these liquids that we're using. We don't know if you throw it anywhere what's going to do to the environment. So it's always ideal just to make a little hole where you pour everything than to scatter it all over the campsite.
Doesn't make sense on your car, only on mine.
Because yours is higher.
So this is my picnic basket. I always carry this wherever I go. So in here I've got plates, I've got chopping board, I've got of course cutlery in here. So every time we go camping I lose something, and Tilly, I think I suspect him. He always
It's normal.
He always says that I took his thing.
This guy knows that.
Can I sit down? Or must I remove the pot first?
So now it's mixed up. Even the spoons that are here.
This guy, Ronnie, please sometimes give me thanks, praises. Every time. This Ronnie, eh?
Why are you putting a Namibian flag upside down?
Always carry my knife.
Apology. It's because we just lost the.
I'm gonna chop the chicken now with this. I was looking for these actually. So what we do with this one is, let me show you.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Looks better, Baba. Put up my tent, my everything.
So that whatever you need,
Relax.
you find it easily here.
Yeah, just doing nothing.
So now I don't need this knife. I'm gonna use the other knife to chop. But hey,
Hey. Don't worry, Ronnie, I brought also mine so that you can steal out what is missing, like you normally do.
that looks nice.
Guys,
Make sure the table is clean. So I'm not using
My
any.
biltong knife there.
Go first. As you get
The reason you do this is
just to get this.
you put all your flavors, the spices, into the oil and the veggies to extract the flavors first into the oil, and then that's when you come and you put in your chicken. This is actually a lot of chicken for 5 men.
I think it's a draft.
Nah, it's Kassler. Guys, you know, there's nothing more. Yeah, it's in the fridge. The one in the back.
I will sit up just for you.
The best moment of a campsite is when you finally get to sit down on a camp chair and then you open your cold beer. No, the other side.
Inside is the other side.
That's a deep freezer on the on the normal fridge.
Run away.
Guys, it was such a long day, but it was a very beautiful day. The drive, all of us, it was our first time using the route that we used coming here, and the wild camping is just amazing, man. It's just amazing. It's so dark though, kind of scary a bit, but hey, this is what adventure is all about. We came here, we set up camp, we cooked, we all ate now, and we just enjoying a drink. Yeah. Then we're gonna get some rest, and tomorrow we want to leave as early as possible, hopefully maybe by 6 or 7 latest, and enter the park Khaudum. And then we're driving through, obviously, and we're hoping to see lots and lots of elephants. When we were coming here, we spotted a couple of elephants. They were so big elephants. So I've never seen such a big elephant. So we guaranteed, I know tomorrow we'll see quite a lot in the park. We're gonna push and come out on the other side. We'll stop for lunch somewhere in the park. Then we come out. Then we are pushing to Kwandu in Kongola. So we'll be going to Kwandu Bush Camp. So yeah, I can't wait. It's also my first time in Kwandu. I've been to Kongola many times, driving through, but I've never branched off to go to Kwandu. I've been to Namushasha, which is along Kwandu. Yeah, that area is beautiful. So I just can't wait to go and experience the camping next to the river. Though I know there's a lot of hippos there and they come out at night. So yeah. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and please do click that button to subscribe, and also do share with your family and friends. And thank you and good night.